Aren't you supposed to start with like the biggest thing first and then go to the smallest? Or from the smallest to the biggest? Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Najah Marie and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm cleaning this hot mess of a room. Okay, so today is January 1st of 2020 and it's a new year, and I decided to clean my room today because I didn't have time to clean my room before the new year, and that was originally my plan, and that didn't happen. So now I'm here today cleaning my space because I just need to redo my space and make it clean and just get rid of stuff that I no longer need, and just walk into a room where I don't feel overwhelmed every time I walk in it because my lazy butt decided to not put something back, you know, because I didn't feel like it in the moment when it probably would have helped me later on. But that's neither here nor there. You guys want to see the video, so I'm gonna start cleaning. But first, let me give you a tour. My camera just needs to focus. There we go. Okay, so obviously you see my bed. It's kind of made slash kind of not. I just need to clean my wash my comforter and my sheets and my pillows because they filthy. These are clothes that I plan on selling on my Poshmark, and I'll put a link to that in the description slash in the video below if y'all want to check that out. I'm still uploading like clothing, so it'll take a little while for me to get that done, but it's going to get done. These are obviously things that need to be put away that I just neglected to put away. I've got my keyboard. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen my setup if y'all haven't watched my last clean my room with me last year. Check that out as well. I'll put a link to that in the video somewhere. And then I've got this is like my tech areas. I keep everything in that Reebok shoebox there. And then I've got my ring light and my string lights and my vision board, which I'm gonna have to make a new one for this year. Then we've got my wonderful bookshelf, which honestly, it has just become an extra storage space for not just my books, but obviously for my makeup, as you can see down there. Then we've got my drawer, which I actually have to go through again and sort through all the clothes that I no longer want slash need anymore. And obviously this is supposed to be like my little makeup area, but it's not. And this is my closet. Yeah, and as you can clearly see, it's like a major hot mess. And I keep saying that now I'm gonna start cleaning, but obviously your girl here is stalling because I just don't want to do it. I don't know where to start. Aren't you supposed to start with like the biggest thing first and then go to the smallest? Or from the smallest to the biggest? this is my sorta kinda now empty closet. Excuse the bra. And this is my closet, but everything that was in it taken out. And oh my god, it makes my room look a lot messier than it did almost 40 minutes ago since I started. And now I'm going to like vacuum. Okay, you guys, so now this is my new and improved closet. That's done. The closet is done. So now I'm going to like clean dusting. So, but you know you can't dust without these. So I'm finally done cleaning my room. Oh my goodness. After like over 5 hours. My room is finally clean. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.